Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm cooking goat's meat mixed with goat's offals, and with me I have my vegetables, my tomatoes, onions, green pepper, the meat and the offal itself. So let's start cooking. I'll start by lighting my gas stove and put my saucepan on fire. Put my goat's meat on the pot. The pot is already hot and you can see it's starting to bubble already. I'll give it a good mix evenly. Add some salt to taste. Salt is very important, guys. Just be generous with yourself and put salt. But for those people that don't eat salt, it's okay. You can cook with less salt or no salt at all, and give it a very good mix to make sure that the salt mixes up evenly. At this point, my meat is boiling so well, it's time to add in the spices. I'll start with paprika, sprinkle some paprika in my meat. Some mixed leaf, just to give it that good aroma that we are looking for. And finally, of course, not forgetting our black pepper. I love black pepper. Like, I put it in everything that I cook, like even tea. So that's how much I'm in love with black pepper. Give it a good mix, just to make sure the ingredients mix up well in the meat. Mix generously. The aroma is amazing. Smells so good. You can't imagine. I just wish you were here in this kitchen. You would know how nice it smells. I'm already salivating. So I will cover my pot and let it cook for a few minutes. Wow, Look at that steam and the smell, the aroma. Wow, guys, this aroma is just mouth-watering. I love it. I can't wait to eat it. I can't wait for it to get ready. At this point, I have to add in my water just to make sure that the meat cooks very well and becomes so tender. So I'll add 1 more cup. I'll give it a very good stir, very good mix. Look at that, guys, look at that. At this point, I'll cover my pot and let the meat boil until it's tender. At this moment, as my meat is boiling, I have to blend my vegetables, my onions, green pepper, tomatoes. I chopped them in large pieces because I'm gonna blend them anyway. Some hot pepper. It's gonna give it some spicy taste. I love hot pepper. So I'm gonna close my blender and transfer it and blend it straight away. Put it down here. I haven't yet gotten a table for it, but just don't worry. So my vegetables have already been blended. I'm not gonna add it in the boiling meat, and it's gonna cook with it together so that it gives it that good aroma and that good taste. I pour in my spices, and then I will give it a good mix. The aroma, amazing. I blended just a little bit because I wanted my peppers to mash off, and at this moment I will add in more peppers, more hot peppers, so that they can boil with the meat until it's tender. Yellow, so I have all colors: red, green, yellow. So I will cover my pot and let the meat boil. After a few minutes of boiling, this is how our meat is looking. Isn't that delicious? Wow. The aroma coming out of here, wow, is mouth-watering. So I'll cover and let it continue boiling, and it's ready. Wow. Now our meat is finally ready. The water has drained and it's so tender, and it's time for tasting. The salt is enough, and we will now serve. Wow, I'm so hungry right now. Can you see that? So alongside it, we are going to serve it with a little bit of avocado to go along with this hot pepper soup. It's so delicious, so aromatic, and so yummy. Wow, I can't wait to taste. Adding some little meat. Wow, guys, you should eat a lot of meat. Meat is very good for your body. Make sure you eat lots and lots of meat, lots of protein, very important. So this is how finally our hot pepper goat's meat looks like. Wow, amazing. Isn't that yummy? Isn't that so attractive? So let's go ahead and test. Can you see this soup? It's the consistency. Oh my god, so yummy. Let's taste. Wow, amazing. Let's just taste it. So yummy. So guys, for the next recipe, make sure you don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Until then,